I have to be honest, I've never actually owned a gel polish set, but always something that I've always wanted. So this one I saw and thought it'd be perfect. Again, just a really good starter kit that had everything I needed, so that I had everything in one bundle, a one-stop shop, if you will. So this one does come with quite a bit of items. You do get base coats, you get top coats, you have different options for the top coat. So maybe you have a matte one, or maybe one that's a little bit more glittery. So lots of options here. You can see the matte one there, and then there's cuticle oil in here. I mean, you get really runs the gamut of all the things that are included, and you get so many different colors, which was kind of the drawing force for me. I definitely wanted to have a lot of different options. And then you also get these nice little just cards here that you can kind of paint the nails on so you know what the colors are. And then you have this kit here, which is filled with things. So you have stickers in here, you have gems, you have, nice buffers and things of that nature. And then here's the lamp. So the lamp, you do have some options in just how long you can cure for. So again, it has a good size, so will fit the full length of your hand in there. And again, I just opened this up to show you more of what's in here. You get a lot of great tools. You get buffers, you get files, you get stickers, you get clippers. Everything you can want is in this kit.